We got one. We get the money.
We get the money.
We get the moolah.
We get the moolah.
We get the peso.
We get the peso.
We get the netto.
We get the netto.
We get the skrilla.
We get the skrilla.
We hit the lotto.
We hit the lotto.
We get the bread.
But yeah, okay, so this is the empty apartment tour. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's cozy, it's like cute, small, cozy, whatever. So this is the front door. So this is my front door, and then you walk in or whatever. And this would be front room. I love the floors. Love the floors. I have to sweep or whatever, clean up whenever I start moving the furniture in. And one thing that I don't like is that this room does not have like no lighting. So I would have to get like some floor lamps to light it up or whatever. Then we got a little window right here, which is it's okay. It's not all that. So I like the blinds, so I found some curtains to put up there or whatever. I like the fact that there's plenty of little outlets. So 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a total of 5 outlets. Sorry, y'all, my camera not focusing. But yeah, it's a total of 5 outlets. So this little closet right here is really just the furnace or whatever. It's not really anything to store in there. Then you'll walk in this little mini hallway right here. And in this closet, there's basically storage room in this closet. So, let's see. You got a light in the hallway. So we got a light in the hallway. Then on the right hand side, it was the kitchen. And I actually like the kitchen, honestly. I like the countertops and the wood finish counters. I mean cabinet. So yeah. Also, I do like like I said, it's multiple outlets, which is really good because I can always use more outlets. So it's 2 outlets on both sides. Well, on each side is 2 outlets, and the stove looks pretty new. Honestly, the stove looks pretty new. Then I have this little fan. I got a light up here, you know. Yeah, got some storage, got some cabinets up in here, you know. Everything looks pretty new and updated. I still have the wood floors, and this is the refrigerator, something simple. Also, this is the like storage for you know, canned goods and stuff like that. Also, it's a light on top of the sink, so I like that. Plenty of lighting in the kitchen and in the hallway, but in the living room, it's not no lighting at all, really. But this is the little dishwasher. I'm glad I got a dishwasher at the last place. Did not have, well, we had a dishwasher, just didn't work. And back into the hallway, there's another outlet right there. I'm really loving all of these outlets, y'all. And to the left, we have the bathroom. This is absolutely gonna be my favorite. Okay, hey y'all, that's me looking like a bum. How y'all doing? But yeah, this is absolutely gonna be my favorite room. So we start off with this lovely mirror right here. This full body mirror. Well, it's not a full body mirror, but you can see my whole body basically. Got a sink right here. It would be cute if it was a his and her sink, but I love all of this extra space for you know, whatever, makeup, anything I need to sit up here, like, cause I didn't really have much space at all at the last place. And we have counters But we have cabinets down here. I can put all the little, you know, skincare products because I do have a lot of that. Then I got a little extra space down here. I guess I could put me like a little stool right here whenever I'm doing my makeup, because I was thinking about buying a vanity. And with this, I really honestly don't need a vanity. And to be honest, I don't think I have enough room for a vanity at this place because it is a 1-bedroom. Now over here, this is the shower, which is pretty basic, but I like it. I like that it's tile and not that other material, because the other material fucking sucks. Like, other material stains easily, okay? And it's just, it's not as visually appealing, honestly. So I love the fact that I have tile and not that other material. Chrome or silver appliances, well, you know what I'm talking about. Silver, little accent, whatever. I was thinking I like this little medicine cabinet right here. I'll be putting some of everything up in here, y'all. But I like how they did the little 3 sections of mirror. So yeah, have a fan and then a light. And there's an outlet right here, but there's only one outlet in here, which is, it's okay. I mean, I got plenty of outlets throughout this house. So here we have the room. Let me turn on the light. Here we have the room, which at the other house, the room is like a little bit bigger than this, but I just like the fact that I have a ceiling light, because like I said, like I mentioned earlier, I don't have any lighting, like roof lighting, in the front room. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 outlets in here, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so yeah, the floor in the room is carpet, so there's no wood floors in here. It's basically carpet. I don't have a vacuum cleaner. This is something I have to actually go out and purchase. So that's one switch for the actual room lighting, and this is the switch for the closet. So the closet is so nice, okay? It's basically a walk-in closet. I have storage space up top on both sides, and just a lot of space to put all of my stuff, which is awesome because I have a lot of shit. And here, this is, I'm pretty sure this is the back, this is for the back porch. I don't know, we're gonna go out there, but yeah, that's a light switch. And this right here, basically in the room or whatnot, you know. So this is the back, the little back patio or whatever. Let me see, I gotta get used to, this door is so fucking heavy. So yeah, that's an outlet right there. That's the little storage outside. And if y'all can see, like, it's apartments back that way. My best friend stays like right there, but I mean, I won't be walking my black ass through the trenches to get over to her house. I'll just drive. But yeah, I mean, that's basically the new house for you guys. Once I get it furnished, guys, this door is so damn heavy. Oh my god. But yeah, once I get it furnished, I think I'm gonna do another apartment tour with y'all. But I really, like, I'm just so fucking excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so ready to like get everything moving, get moved in here or whatever. But honestly, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'll get along. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna get along with my neighbor, but she seemed like, I don't know. She just be next to it. Like in the front, our space, like our patio space, is a bit close, like. So I would like walk out my front door and she's like sitting on the porch like smoking a cigarette. So I mean, I don't know, because y'all know I actually honestly I want to get my dog. Like my mom has my dog and I want to get my dog. I don't know how to pet feed or whatever. I don't know how that would work out, but it seemed like my damn neighbor would be all up in my business. So I don't know, I'm gonna just keep y'all up to date with that. Also, I do plan on before I move anything in here, like as far as furniture, I do want to burn a little sage, say a little prayer or whatever, and just live the best life, like living my best life up in here. Well, for the rest of the year. Well, for the 12-month lease, y'all already know your girl is planning on moving to Georgia. Yeah, it's planning on moving to Georgia next year around this time. So once my lease is up, we're moving to Georgia, sis. So just get ready, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna burn some sage. And then I'm just start moving stuff in. But yeah, like, what do y'all think? Do y'all like it? Do y'all think it's cute? Yeah, meantime, in between time, I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get these videos out to y'all or whatever. Like, y'all, just be ready, okay? Just be ready, because I'm gonna be doing my little videos, doing my YouTube videos. So as far as the vanity, like, I don't know, because honestly, I don't. Okay, so my couch and stuff is gonna be right here, right? So my couches are gonna be right here. I'll probably put something on the wall or whatever. As far as my vanity, like, where? Because I don't think I'll have the space for a vanity. Because maybe I could put the TV right here. If the couches are going to be right here, have a TV like on the wall right here. But I don't really think I'll have the space for a vanity, honestly. This, like, the bed is going to take up. The bed is going to take up like majority of this wall. So I don't know, maybe once we move everything, then we'll kind of figure out what we're gonna do. If I get the vanity, if I don't get the vanity. But meantime, in between time, y'all stay tuned, okay? Follow me on Instagram. Make sure I put my handles down in the description box below, okay? And once I get all of the furniture in, I will be giving y'all another apartment tour, so stay tuned.